Here we are guys to the Bitcoin price prediction. I couldn't make for you a live here now. I'm so sorry about my voice guys. I'm ill. If you're watching the other channel, I couldn't finish the live. That way I decide to record the video. So as you see here, the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and Bitcoin today, it's breaking for us that inside bar as we've been talking about a lot here, if you remember it or not. That the inside bar, as we've been talking about a lot here in that channel, guys, is getting broke here. What that indicating? Maybe the Bitcoin is going to dump more than that. Only thing you need to look with me here at that 111k, that zone here, because that one we spend a lot here till we break it. And now we need to look at it if we are going to bounce from it like that, guys, and to pump again. That's possible. Second scenario, all that it's being a fake out guys and the market from here going to dump and to breaking for us that low here, which is exactly at 99k. Even that one is possible guys. So also we are ready for everything. Also today we're making very nice money from our shorts. And we've been warning you guys, we've been telling you guys the market is going to dump, the market is going to dump. The past videos of us, they don't get in views because majority of you, they believe in those fake gurus online. They're telling you Bitcoin is going to go to 300. Some people that came to me, they told me 2026, the Bitcoin is going to continue going upward. Look the result guys. That is up to you. Follow anyone you want. Everything is up to you, my friend. I think I explained everything. The Bitcoin here, we don't have nothing to talk about it here. The only thing now and the only hope you have is that 111k, that one here. If the Bitcoin bouncing from it, if it's not from here, going to dump more than that. Also, we are ready for everything, guys. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. That one is going to be for long term. Even that one is getting broke, guys. Is it that one here? You remember it? That uptrend like that. Now you are in the border of it here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days, because that one here, if it's getting broke guys, things is going to get very ugly, and maybe we're going to go back to 99k or below 90k. So we need to focus it about the Bitcoin, what it's going to do here. And in today's video guys, we're going to tell you everything. We're going to show you the weekly path. Where is that Bitcoin going to go? Because if you're looking with me here, we got a wage here in daily guys. And that one here, if it's getting broke, we're going to see that market dumping. So I think I explained everything to you here. And I'm so sorry again guys about my voice. Now let's go into see crypto fair and grid index, liquidity heatmap. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like to support us and you make money with us, please smash that like button if it's possible. And you, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want, my friend, and you don't want to miss the coming lives of us. And if you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord where we give all those type of signals. Let me show you the earnings of me today. As you see guys, that the trades me are entering them today. I enter here a short in the Bitcoin and a short in the Doge, a short in the XRP and a short in the Sol, plus even the Ethereum. All of them, they are green as you see it guys. You can watch all our previous videos. That is up to you, my friend. Join us, don't. It's up to you. As we tell it to you before, we told you also we give you quality, not quantity. That is up to you. You want to join us? The link of our Patreon is down. You don't want? Up to you. So I think I explained everything to you here, guys. How you can join us? You came here, you click at that one here, see member option. You're going to find 3 tiers: position, elite, and VIP member. Choose one of them. If you struggling to choose which one, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord, and I'm going to explain to you more. That of course, if you are interested, and if you're facing any problem, my friend, you can text me as I told you, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now we're going to see crypto fair and grid index, guys. The crypto fair and grid index guys here, as you see it, 55. That man, the grid it fell down a little bit. You remember we used to be here 70 something. Now we fall down to 55. Should we buy? Me personally, I'm still waiting it to enter here to that zone of orange. Then also we're going to decide which direction we're going to take, if we're going to buy or no. Now it's going to see liquidity heatmap guys, what it's telling us today. Here we are guys in the liquidity heatmap here in 24 hours. We got a lot of stop losses above here compared to those ones down here. Even down we got some stop losses guys, but the majority are above here. So what is it the view? Me personally thinking the market is going to go back more higher to liquidate those ones above. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. But my view personally, the Bitcoin is going to go back here to 117k. Then also we're going to see which direction is going to catch. If you want to catch those things, we told you what to do. But as every time, also we're going from here from 24 hours to weekly to see the clear direction, guys. Let me show you in the weekly. Here in the weekly, guys, we got a very different picture here. There is no more stop losses down here. The majority of stop losses are above here at 120k. So what is it the view? Me personally, I think the Bitcoin is going to come back to liquidate all those ones here at 120k. And remember it, guys, don't say me haven't tell it to you. Based on daily, also we touch a very stronger uptrend. And my view personally, Bitcoin is going to come back to liquidate all those ones at 120k. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. Now, as every Saturday, guys, also we came here, we're doing for you the Bitcoin option levels. As you remember last week, what else we came, we set that two zones here, or the two levels here. We set the down one here at 111k and the top one here at 126k. And look at it, guys. Bitcoin respecting them exactly the two zones. Now let's try to find in even for that week. Where is that Bitcoin going to go? So let's go into that page where we're getting those things together. Here we are, guys. That's the page where we're getting those levels of Bitcoin option. As you see, the coming Friday is going to be 8th of August 2025. So let's try to find the levels. We started as every time from in the money, then we find level for pots, then for calls. So let's doing that together, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the level here. Is it exactly at 95k, guys? Yes. Is it ugly here? But is it at 95k? The number of pots here, 167 Bitcoin. The total volume here, $19 million. The calls are zero. So that one, the first level of us, 95k, guys. Now let's find in the level for calls to see where is the top or the selling for that week. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. The top here is at 123k. The number of pods is 0. The number of calls 139. The total volume here $15 million. So those ones, the two levels, guys, 95k and 123k. So let's go into the chart to drawing that two levels together. Here we are, guys. We set the top level here exactly like that, 123k like that. That means it's going to be in the peak of that one here. And the low level, guys, as also we said, is at 95k like that. That's going to be a disaster, guys. That meant the view of those people, Bitcoin is going to dump, guys. That's the view of them, and that's what me I told you. So those people, they short the Bitcoin with me from the peak here. Don't close your short, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. Let's see how it's going to end up if the Bitcoin from here going to push more higher to liquidate the stop losses they are above here. Then after that to dump, even that one it's possible, guys, but based on Bitcoin option, it's telling us the Bitcoin is going to dump even here in daily. Yes, also we haven't breaking that uptrend here, that one, but if we break it, guys, it's going to be a disaster like how it happened down here. You remember it? When it's going and broke here, look tell where we went. Now we waiting that one here to be broke, guys, for us to catch that short. I think I explained everything to you here. Look at it, guys, here. If you see it, that one here, when it's getting broke here, what happened? Bitcoin it pump higher like that. Now we got the one here, same thing, that uptrend here, and the one if it's getting broke, guys, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping again till that low here. So I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's go into see Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in 4 hours, same thing, there is nothing new. Yes, also we show you that one here, you remember it, what also we used to tell you. We told you it's breaking here and coming back to test it here. Now it's breaking for you, even that last low here. Man, the break of that downtrend is it active, guys. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. The only hope now also we have is it that one here. You see the down channel here. Also now we're touching the lower of it here. Let's hope that one to come back to test the top of that one here. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you, guys. Me, the only hope now I have is the Bitcoin to come back to test the top of that channel and to give us here a bull flag. Even that one, it's possible. And also we're ready for everything, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, before we reach into our indicator, guys, I need to show you here that Fibonacci retracement here, because it's very important here. As you see, we touch here that very stronger zone here, 113,673, and we got another zone, or the golden zone, guys, is it here between 0.50 and 0.61, which is exactly here at 110 till 107, exactly in that zone here, guys. You see it here, that one here, that the golden zone of the Fibonacci retracement. But Bitcoin, in majority of the times, he fall down to that 0.70 or that 0.38. From one of them he bounced. Let's hope now the Bitcoin from here to bounce again. Even that one is going to be very good. Now let's see our indicator what's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it very close to touch extreme oversold area. The uptrend, as we show you in daily, is a very stronger uptrend. Now we show you in the Fibonacci retracement, as we are in a very stronger zone. Let's see now if the Bitcoin from here going to bounce or not. Me personally, I buy some Bitcoin spot and I give it to the people they follow me as a signal for position, because that one is it only for spot. Even you can benefit from that if you don't want to be involved in trading with leverage. So I think I explained everything to you here, guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Ethereum here in the 4 hours. Same thing, we still have here that uptrend like that, guys. You see it? And now we touch the lower of it. You remember what also we used to say here about that one? We used to come and we told you guys we got here that up channel like that, and we touch the top of it here. Let me draw it right for pictures get more clear to you guys. We used to say it like that. We got here a up channel, and that up channel also we touch the top of it, and we told it's going to dump to touch the lower of it, and that's what happened exactly, guys. You see it here? Now, what is it, the view? The view now, me personally, I'm thinking the Ethereum is going to come back again above that number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it, guys? Because the Ethereum now, it's breaking for us that very clear double top here. And it's breaking the neckline of it. Let's see if is it from here going to dump that number one scenario. But me now, I'm focused about that uptrend here. That one here, I just show you in the start. That one here, I'm focused about it. If it's going to be broke or from here, we're going to bounce again. Now, I got something else for you here, guys. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, that Fibonacci retracement, guys, here. As you see it, same thing. The zone where we are now is very stronger zone, 35.13. We got another one, which is down here, 32.46. So those ones, the two levels or two zones. But if we break in here, that one, we're going to dump. Now, let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here, guys. And let me to dial that one because we don't need it anymore. Our indicator, guys, same thing. Look at it. It's very close to touch extreme oversold area, level or zone. Also, we are in a very stronger one. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, if we're going to pump or not in that Ethereum, guys. Now, let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today here in 4 hours, guys. Sol, same thing. As you see it, guys, the Sol, it's still dumping. Actually, the Sol, it's more clear than all of them. The Sol, when it's breaking here, as we told, is going to dump, and that's what it's doing exactly, guys. Now we need to calculate in the target of that one based on the double top here. We're getting broke exactly like that, guys. And the target of it is going to be at this low here, 153 or something like that. We got a lot of things here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. We got here that Fibonacci retracement, guys, as you see it here. And the Sol now it entered to the golden zone, guys, as you see it here, between 0.50 and 0.61. That we call it golden zone. Majority of the times, the assets from here they bounce, but it doesn't happen every time, guys. That way, me, I don't base my trade in levels or zones or something. Me, I will wait till I got a price action exactly if I'm going to trade with leverage. If I'm going to trade just spot, that it's okay. I can buy from here and I can buy from low. But with leverage, no, my friend. With leverage, we need extra layer of confirmation. And that way, us every time we encourage you to join us if you want to learn from professional people how the trade being done, guys. Because majority of the people you follow online, all of them, they are just fabs, guys. That is up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to a zone where the bears are controlling. Let's see now if is it from here going to pump, because our indicator it touch extreme oversold area, level or zone based on Fibonacci retracement. Also, we are in a very stronger zone without that Fibonacci retracement. If we came and we dealt it like that, guys, together here, look with me here, what you got. You see that zone here is a very stronger zone. We bounced from it before, exactly here, and even here, and now we touch it here. Let's see what's going to happen, how you can catch it, guys. That's very important question. We got here the downtrend like that. It need to be broke. We got another one which is very sharp. That one is going to work in smaller time frames. If you are one of those people that like to day trade the Sol, I'm not one of them. I don't like to day trade it, guys. That's my choice, and you need to focus about that downtrend here in our indicator, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go in to see the XRP or Ripple I'm doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. As you see it here, the XRP or Ripple, guys, same thing here. We don't got nothing special here. All I think we still have here that uptrend here, and now we are in it, same like the Bitcoin, same like the Ethereum. Now there is one of two, guys. Either that uptrend here is going to be broke like that, and we're going to dump that number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it, guys? we can draw here at that downtrend like that, and we wait in the market to come to break it like that for us to catch along. Even that one, it's possible that the market to come back to break that small downtrend above for us to catch that long levels or zones we got here in the XRP, guys. Let me show it to you. As you see it in front of you, we touch here that zone or that level of 0.38. We got here the golden zone here, as you see it here. I can tell you the levels 2.78 and 2.57. Those was very stronger zones. Plus even based on my levels, let me take it off that one here. Based on my levels, guys, as you see, the XRP is in a very stronger zone, which is exactly here at 2.95. Let's see if that XRP from here going to bounce. Are we going to catch it by the downtrend here? That one, we will wait it to be broke here for us to catch along. Even that one is possible, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing. We don't got nothing special here. Look at it. A down divergence, downtrend here. We still follow it, and our indicator hasn't touched extreme oversold area. So we need to wait it till it touches it, guys. Then also we're going to decide either to enter long or no. And also we're still waiting. I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes, guys, for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. There we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. Same thing, we still have here that downtrend here, that one. In the other channel, when we're making that live stream and I couldn't finish it, guys, we show you we got here a bullish divergence. And yes, still now we still have a bullish divergence. I'm going to show it to you. Now, if Bitcoin breaking here, you need to catch that long, my friend. If the Bitcoin came and breaking here, that small downtrend here, you need to catch that long exactly if you like to day trade the Bitcoin. That's my specialty, guys. Also, we enter a short from here. Now we been waiting here, and that's what us we're doing now. We're waiting that downtrend here to be broke for us to catch that long, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, if you're looking with me here, we got a bullish divergence, guys, and that very clear here in 30 minutes. You see it, guys. Very clear bullish divergence. How else we going to catch it? By that small downtrend here. It's need to be broke for us to catch that long. Not the only things I can tell you, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, make sure to support us. You see my voice, how is it? And also we came to record for you, so please support us by just smashing that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.